Hello Driving Intelligence community. Today I want to make part 6 of my Deville series, and I want to talk about the torque struts. These dog bone looking things are used to isolate engine vibration, and are also used in high power applications to control engine torque. Obviously the NorthStar engine has quite a bit of power and front wheel drive, so these come in handy. What surprised me when I was doing some other work was the condition of these torque struts. You can hear the vibration. The bushings are not completely shot. One of them is actually coming apart, but they've shrunk up probably from heat cycles. They're not providing that vibration isolation that you'd like to have in the engine. So I decided to replace these on this vehicle with the owner's approval, and it did provide some improvement in vibration isolation. They're all different types of designs on different vehicles. I've got a 1985 Mustang SVO, and instead of having the dampers located horizontally on the engine like this one was, on that engine they're located at the shock absorbers, and they're located vertically. I actually like this design a little bit more, so it'd be nice to be able to retrofit this on my vehicle. So for any vehicle that has torque struts on it, and especially on this particular Deville, you want to check these and see if they're still giving you adequate vibration isolation. It's not going to cause any problem if you don't repair these, but it's a ride quality issue, and I suggest you take a look at it. Very easy. These are very cheap to replace. There is one bolt that takes a few extra steps on this on the passenger side, and I'm going to show that to you in the video. But it's an easy project, so take a look at it, follow along. Thanks for watching.
Something I noted with these straps on both sides is that there is play forward and back. It's 21 years old, a lot of heat, a lot of vibration cycles. They probably need to be replaced, but it looks like something one at a time should be relatively easy to replace. So replacing this torque strut, you can see that this air conditioning line coming from the accumulator is in the way. So I can't easily get this out. So there's a bracket here that holds this torque strut. It's held in place by 2 bolts, but it also it supports the alternator at the upper bolt. So that will have to be loosened. There's another bolt under here that has to be removed. You can see where the hole is. And then right here, I took that bolt out. And what this does, once you take this bolt out, that falls out. Now I can pull this up enough to remove this bolt. Here we can see the true condition of this torque strut. The bushing is doing nothing. It flops around on both sides. This side's a little better, but the engine side was providing no vibrational support, or limited. At least the engine wouldn't twist itself out of the car, but these are long overdue to be replaced.